friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Renuka and today's video is a little bit different, which I want to share one artist. This is not the sponsored video. I buy this book, but she's from India and I follow her on Instagram. I like her work, and why I like her work I told you. So way before this book came, or the idea of these is why I bought it, I show you. So this is my book where I work sometimes in it. So you can see this dragonfly, and the transparencies in there. So I love to do that kind of work. I only because it's a watercolor medium and I love to explore the watercolor mediums. So I really like those dragonflies, and I take a pre-printable collage sheet from art scavengers. Okay, so these art scavengers having this stuff also, and I print out those and then I just take a reference of a few pictures and I just by imagination draw this. So I like the transparency work in that. I did some kind of flowers also, in which book I didn't remember, but I tried many of them and I really like the doing transparencies work. So that's why I bought this book. And of course, supporting artist support. I like to buy the books and see the stuff, see how others do the work, learn from their style also, and that is the fun. So you will get this book anywhere in Target or Amazon or something like that. I bought it from the thrifty store. On the thrifty bookstore you will get the other books also. It's thrifty bookshops, but it is cheaper in everywhere. And I bought one of these books also. So these are some quotes, and right now I'm doing many things like where I want to write the quotes or something. So I thought it would be nice addition in my book. The important thing is not to think much but to love much, so to do what the best I can. So I just bought that quote book and this one, the two books from the store. So this artist also have that kind of same thing and playing with the transparencies. And I didn't know about this book that they are giving these sketches also. So I know this artist, I told her name is Chitra, and I love her work because these transparencies, and I love that kind of transparencies work. Although I have so many golden palettes with me and I love to use them in many ways. Most of the times I show these bookmarks where I show my golden colors, metallic colors and gold colors. But let's see for the reviewing of the books and go through it. So it's first one is the content. It's a quite long one. I hope I can fit it here, and then you can see all of the projects you can make here, and all of them are so beautiful and worth trying. I think worth trying. You can do each, and basically you can improve your watercolor transparency and how to overlap the things, the technique of that. And then they give all the material tools, painting techniques, wet on wet, dry on dry. So like every watercolor book, and she's the artist, so every watercolor book they give the materials, like which paper they are using, which paints they are using. She gave the full list of her paint palette also, more than 300. Okay, and so I just open this, so I don't read, I just open it in front of you. So I'm just searching the things. Okay, so now these what she is using, the metallic colors, Scream. Okay, so I have these metallic colors with me, and it is in not these colors, but it is in like ghost colors. And yeah, this company is nice because I know that I bought them from Etsy, I think, and she already give the name and how much. It's a $40. She already told that, but you can try this with on your watercolor, whatever you have. She talk about the techniques also: wet on wet, dry and dry, gradient wash, variant wash, and I think few brush strokes techniques like sea brush, flickering, bouncing. So more or less every watercolor book give these kind of idea, cause some of the people started and it might be they are beginner and this is their first book, but most of the artists who do the watercolor for a long time, they have this idea. But it's nice to go back and see what others perspective about the same color theory or something like that. So I love to see those stuff also. She talked here about the color theory, temperature, intensity, mixing of them, and she mentioned all the colors pretty nicely. This is nice pages also, buttery pages. And then this is butterfly anatomy. She will she's talking about all the features of the butterflies and how they are part and wings and shapes and veins. So if you know the bone structure of anything, you can go further. Now these are some real butterflies pictures. Such a beautiful and vibrant pictures, right? And the size of book is also nice, that you can put on a desk and you can do the work with this. Other flower autonomy and this brush strokes. And it's so funny, I did this practice few time before. I can show you that while teaching the kids. Like this one, like you can see these petals. I did the practice and I told them, like when kids started, like they are 15-16 years old kids, so when they came to learn from me, and then they started like this, and then it's like when you start the petal, how you can do. Then I started teaching them in the gradient effect in both like colors and with the pencils also. So this is the same kind of thing, and I really like that she's going step by step process. I really like that way. Before study everything. Oh, Indian yellow is so good. And okay, this my kid came in between something. Okay, so this kind of stuff, like she gave the step by step information about this is, I think, layer washing, then mixing in the gradient way, and finally the black touches. And I think it's a super way to start the butterflies. So I have this idea. I saw these kind of butterflies on the Pinterest way before, and I started collecting those butterflies for on the Pinterest board for the like making the these kind of stuff. For they are the like tattoo artist pictures. Okay, but I never saw like this one, so I was like, oh wow, this is nice. That is something going on in my mind, and someone did this such a nice way. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I like the work. I saw the work on Instagram, and then I thought I should buy a book and give it a chance, right? Because you will learn something, and sometimes you know some stuff, but when you go in detail and do that kind of work, and look at this, so beautiful. And then you know, you refine your work as well as you learn something from the other artist. And sometimes while practicing all that stuff, you learn from the other artist, you use your experience, past experience, and you gain something new out of it. So it's kind of a thing really like. Although nowadays I'm doing so many things together, so I didn't get a practice much time for the practice, but yeah, because so many, I'm in so many mediums. Like I do quilting, I do albums, I do watercolor, gouache, and I really love this with the flowers also. Flowers, I don't know, I love the flowers. I have so many flower books with me. I didn't complete any of it yet, but yeah, I really like. Look at this beautiful hydrangea, and look at this color combination. I loved it. And nice step by step information. So some people says that you will get everything free on the YouTube and online, but sometimes having a book is a good idea. Because what happened, if you are a little bit beginner, you need step by step, and sometimes you don't want to watch the videos, you just want to go book. I'm a very book person. I love to read books mostly, and I love to do the way. So these are the roses. Most of the times we draw these roses in India. This is from the Indian roses, and they are so beautifully drawn, and I love the colors, especially the yellow and pink, the combination. And wow, and what is this? The special petal instruction invoke. Oh, so you can scan this QR code and you will get the special instruction. Let's see. Also, it's YouTube channel also, which I didn't know. Oh, so it's in quadro. Oh, I didn't know that she's also on YouTube. But you will get same instructions for this. So right now I'm talking about the videos, and look what we got, that we have the video and the book, both of them together, and she did the very good job with, oh my goodness, this final piece is such a beautiful artwork. So I'll suggest, don't go with the final piece, go step by step as artists suggest, and that will be the better idea. And on this side, oh my goodness, you don't have to draw. You have all these line works with you. Wow. Look at them. Nice. And this paper is also nice. I think it's pretty look like the artist grid paper of Artisa brand watercolor paper. Look at this, such a beautiful illustration, right? So if you want to try these, or if you want to save these, I suggest you can scan them, or you can just trace them with your paper and have with them. So if you mess with this, you can, you know, use those. And for tracing them, you can use both tracing paper as well as, oh, so beautiful lilies. Look at this hydrangea. Nice. Oh wow, very nice. So it is kind of a full course. I can carry this when I'm traveling. I'm planning to travel in India for 2 months, and then I can, on this one is the final one, and then I can just, you know, just color. I can carry my watercolors with me, and this side is the instruction, this side is the all this stuff, and it is such a complete book. I really like those flora fauna. And then how you can trace on this printer paper also, by just putting this on the printer paper like this. This is a copy paper, normal copy paper, nothing much. And I can just take a pencil and trace out there. And why I'm doing this, you can do this afterwards also, like after coloring it, you can still trace on it. But if you want a really black and white drawings, you can just trace like that. And if you mess up with your practice in that, you can just do, or you can just copy it, xerox it, print it, and you will have all of this. I'm gonna scan them and print them so that I will have one copy with it. So if I want to do my drawing practice also, I can take a reference of that butterfly and I can do drawing, or I can choose a multiple colors for the practice. And this is a really long project. I should do it very soon, but I really like this beautiful book. And look at this. This is such a nice. And this channel name is Quattro. And let me see. Yeah, this channel name is Quattro. And I think that's today's video. So it's like, you can give it a try. It's an awesome book in my suggestion. So let's see who like it. If you want to see I'm doing project with this, I'm gonna make another video. Please put in comments that you want to see the project with this and how I'm using this book. Maybe I'll start using book while making the video. So until the next crafty project, have a crafty life. Bye bye, take care.